Rahim spent 1/6 of his money on appliances and an additional, this should be an additional $3,500 on furniture. He spent 7/8 of the remaining money on renovation. In the end, he had $2,900 left. How much money did Rahim have at first? Now, to do this remainder concept question, you can employ the branching method, or you can even draw models. Okay, so let me draw a model, and we'll first focus on the remainder section. Okay, so this model I'm going to draw is for the remaining money, remainder amounts of money, which is 8 units in total. Okay, so out of the 8 units, he spent 7 units, right? He spent 7/8, which means 7 units is being spent on renovation. This is for reno. And there will be 8 minus 7, there will be 1 unit. 1 unit will be whatever is left, that will be $2,900. So over here in this section, 2900, that will represent 1 unit. So we have the value of 1 unit, 2900. We proceed to find 8 units. 2900 times 8, 23200. 23200. That is actually the amount for the remaining amount of money. Okay, so we track back. He spent 1/6 of his money on appliances, okay, and an additional 3500 on furniture. Thereafter, he has the remaining money. So his money at the start was actually 6 parts. Alright, out of the 6 parts, 1 part he used it for appliances. Okay, so this part will be 5 parts then. Okay, 6 minus 1, 5 parts. 6 minus 1, there will be 5 parts. And 5 parts will represent that additional 3500 on furniture, plus the remaining amount of money that he has left after spending on the appliances and also the furniture. So 5 parts will be equals to 23200 plus 3500. So 5 parts will be equals to 26700. 26700. That will be classified under the 5 parts. 26700, and we know that 1 part now will be equals to 26700 divided by 5, 5340. And we proceed to find how much he has at first. So that will be this entire model, question mark, 6 parts. 6 parts will be equals to 5340 times 6, 32040. 32040, final answer for this question.